evening, everyone. Welcome to the Rambagh Palace, the most iconic property of iconic palace of India. So here we welcome Mrs. Kritika Jatin Ahuja. It's my pleasure to be here. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Guys, we are here at Rambagh Palace, and as you can see, the hospitality is amazing. So let's go in and see what all they have for us to see and experience. Come. Look at the peacock there, guys. This place is filled with peacocks. So we have more than 150 peacocks in the palace. Okay. Yes. I can hear them. It's so beautiful.
Welcome to Rambagh Palace.
Really honorable compliment. Guys, look at this. Hospitality at its best. Come please. Guys, check out this fountain. So serene and so beautiful. It's unbelievable. One has to be here to experience it. That seems like a good picture spot. Can you give us a little insight about this area, please? Yeah. So this we call it as a Chandni Chowk.
Okay.
So the history, the name it got it is so at that time there used to be no artificial lights. So on the moonlight, so with the reflection of moonlight on this fountain over there, so it used to spread the light all over to the courtyard. So that's why we call it as a Chandni Chowk.
Beautiful. Reminds me of Yoda as well.
And yes, we have been to Amritsar.
Not yet.
Not yet. So there's a garden by the name of Kesar Garden. So this garden is a replica of Kesar Garden.
Okay.
Yes. So this was the first palace which was converted into hotel in India.
And what year was this?
So in the year
Are
1835,
these
these are the portraits of the Maharajas of the palace.
Okay.
So in the year 1835, Rambagh was initially built as a four-room garden house by Maharani Chandravati. She was the mother of Maharaja Savai Ram Singh Ji too, and she made this garden house for her favorite maid, Kesar Badaran. So it came to be known as Kesar Badaran ka Bagh.
Oh wow.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Then as such, Kesar Badaran had no children. So after her death, this property came back to the royal family only.
Okay.
Yes, and then in the year 1887, the second Maharaja Savai Madhav Singh Ji too, he converted this garden house into a royal hunting lodge.
Right.
Because at that time, it used to be situated around the forest area. So that's why he chose
Right.
the
Oh, thank you. I needed a tissue.
and it was converted into a royal hunting lodge.
Okay.
And this task was assigned to a very famous architect. In the early 20th century, this was converted into a palace and for a short duration of time into a boarding school.
Oh
For
wow.
Maharaja Savai Man Singh Ji too.
Okay.
Yes. And then Maharaja Savai Man Singh Ji converted this palace into a hotel which was run by his own staff only. Maharaja Savai Man Singh Ji.
And when did the Taj took over?
So in the year 1972, the Rambagh Palace was taken on lease by the Taj Group of Hotels. And since it is the Taj Group of Hotels. So it's been a long time.
Right. Can you see the Swan Mahal? Is that possible?
Yeah.
is amazing.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Very refreshing and the best for the summer beach.
So
How many restaurants do you have here?
So in total we have 5 restaurants.
Okay.
Please, what is that? So here is a Suwana Mahal. So it used to be the actual fine line restaurant. Fine line restaurant.
This setup actually reminds me of Fortnum and Mason and Harrods, and you know, it has literally taken me back to some Victorian era. I mean, look at this setting. Look at it.
So this used to be
And
the actual board.
guys, you have to look at the ceiling. It is to die for. These are all real paintings, real
Yes.
hand paintings done. Everything done on the wall is like all hand painted. And you cannot miss these wallpapers and the glass facade, the mirrors which is on the walls.
So actually this used to be the actual banquet room of the Maharaja, the dining room.
Oh.
So there used to be like 80 long cover for table.
Can you do a
big
close-up of the
cutlery
and the crockery?
So at that time it used to be the pure gold cutleries and crockeries, but now it's 24 karat gold plated.
But I think it's equivalent to eating in gold.
That's true, ma'am.
So, I mean, Rambagh Palace is probably one of the few which kind of gives you the royal family feel even till date. And this is what it exclusively, I think, it kind of sets apart from the others. Guys, you have to see what's in store for us even more.
And for them, like it used to be along 80 tables, so there used to be 80 butlers for them. So like one for each. That's the royalty they used to have.
Oh, wow. So, one butler per person is how the Maharajas used to eat at their time. What are we seeing next?
So I'll just show you a quick glimpse of the Rajput room and here we come to the second restaurant. So this is Rajput room. And it used to be the actual ballroom of the Maharajas.
Okay.
Yes. And if you
Is that a private time?
yes,
Can
that's
we
the-
check that out if nobody's there? Whose portrait is that? The one,
This is the portrait of Maharani Gayatri Devi.
the street where we are.
Yes, yes.
Okay. The Rajmata, as you call
Rajmata
her.
Gayatri Devi.
Right.
Yes. So this painting is a one brush painting.
Oh.
Yes.
And it was, can we do a close-up to the painting? So Rajmata was, was she the only wife?
No, so Rajmata Gayatri Devi was the third wife of Maharaja Savai Man Singh Ji.
Okay, but I believe what I can make out probably the most favorite.
So actually the first one was Marudhar Kanwar, second one was Kishore Kanwar. And the third one was Maharani Gayatri Devi. And
She had children.
so she had one son, Maharaj Jagat Singh Ji. He married into a Thai royal family. Yes. So next we are heading to Polo Bar.
What's the history behind the photo bar?
So the Maharaja Man Singh Ji is very fond of playing polo. And so after
Do you have a polo ground?
yes, we do have it to the next to the premises.
Okay, so there's a polo ground also, guys, with their own horses and elephants. But I think due to COVID,
Yes,
yeah.
it's not fit for that.
Yeah. I like the way how
Hello.
What's going on?
Yes.
Yeah.
And if you can see, that's the fort. That fort on the top, that is Moti Dungri Fort.
Moti Dungri, okay.
Yes, the fort on the hills.
And where in today's time do you end up seeing such lush gardens? This is one of its kind.
So the property is of 50 acres and the palace is built into 7 acres The rest we have other garden areas. Yes.
But guys, you've got to look at this view. I mean, where do you get such kind of greenery, 150 peacocks, and do you have kite flying?
Yes, that's the activity.
That's an activity, okay.
Yes. Kite flying.
That's an
We have
activity,
few
I think.
activities like kite flying, peacock feeding, and we have games as well.
Do you think we can do a peacock feeding session?
So yes.
Okay. So guys, maybe we can. Okay, so you have to tell us. So they have Sultan, and now she's going to tell us who is Sultan. And
The Sultan is the most favorite in the of the Veranda Cafe. Also in the Veranda Cafe, you'll always find him over here in the morning or in the evening.
And they say he's the most friendliest peacock because he's probably the only peacock you can touch, feel, and feed from your own hand. So if we are lucky, we'll find Sultan and we will be able to feed us with it.
Absolutely. So here is a picture of Maharaja Soy Man Singh. He's receiving the Coronation Cup. He
Okay.
won in England in 1933.
Right.
So it was a big achievement for Indian team because at that time India was not independent as well.
Right.
So before India won the cup, so the cup used to rotate every year to the different teams. But when India won the cup, it was a big achievement. So they decided to hand it over the cup to the Indian team only. So the actual one is placed in the city palace, but we have a railway carpet. I'll show you in the polo bar.
Okay.
Right to the polo bar.
And I love the how they have
And
this
if you
setup.
see the fountain as well, so at that time there used to be no music and all much. So they used to have this fountain and people used to come here to take the feel of this music of the water.
Because this sound of water is so,
So
serene
soothing
and
and
so soothing. So I'm
that's
pretty
true.
sure Maharaja's taste were pretty much like Maharaja's.
That's true. So here we have the different pictures of the Maharaja Sai Man Singh Ji receiving the
Right.
cups and
Right. And now I
So
get.
now we head towards the spa.
So Shishi here was telling me, and Mansi too, that the Jiva Spa, which is the Rambagh Palace, is what makes it the #1 spa. Oriental is also a restaurant.
Yes.
I know the train restaurant is shut, but can we just show the viewers the glimpse of it?
Definitely we'll do
Are we going to be crossing it?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So guys, they have this special train restaurant which is unfortunately shut right now because of the COVID protocol. But we are just going to show you from outside that how it looks, because once you sit inside you feel like you're in a royal train having a meal. So that's an experience not to be missed on its own.
So as Maharani Gayatri Devi, so she was a part of parliament and she was more into girl empowerment.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So we have a chamber of princes over there, so she used to do all her meetings over there only.
This is the chamber.
Yes, this is the chamber of princes.
I have a lot of interest in politics too. I wish I could have.
So here, I mean, Maharani Gayatri, first girls school.
Okay.
Yes, Maharani Gayatri Devi school.
My daughter there is doing kite flying, and the kids are having their own fun. So that's come, guys. I think this is
Come
even
from
more
here.
interesting for me.
भाग रही हो, काफी खिला दिया आपने।
I'm trying my best to feed him, but oh yes, he finally ate from my hand. And this is one of the most beautiful experiences that I could have done only at Rambagh Palace.
खाना भी खिलाएगा।
And my son here wants to feed him. Rana, you want to feed the peacock? Come, come.
भैया नहीं बच्चा को खिलाएगा। जा रहे हैं आप भी खिलाना।
ऐसे करो, ऐसे करो।
लो
Oh, वो भाग गया। Okay. Yeah, you feed the peacock while I'm going to complete this. That's my daughter Zara and son Ranaveer. As you can see, the kids are having a great time on their own by feeding peacocks, doing kite flying.
और खिलाना है।
So let's go to the spa now. This was something that was one of the best experiences. I don't think one can ever touch a peacock.
That's true.
And feeding one from your own hand. So friendly over here. I personally find peacocks very auspicious, so I'm finding myself very lucky today. So as you can see, this is the front of the Rambagh Palace now. So, and there are peacocks like having fun everywhere. And time and how it would have been and the peacocks dancing with them, I'm actually getting the same feeling.
So over here we have indoor pool and outdoor pool as well.
Okay. Can I touch that peacock?
I mean, we can feed him and so that he won't run.
Okay. Hi, would you like to do the... Yes, I would. Though I was feeding a peacock. Let us try. Should I just throw if the peacock is scared? I think I'll probably give it to you. I'll give it. So the peacock is resenting me because he's not sure if I am someone he needs to be friendly with or scared with. I'm going to
We
give
feed
this
them
to you.
every day, maybe that's why.
I did feed a peacock, so I did get that on record.
Every area will have a peacock
Right.
who is capturing that area. It's more of like a territory.
Oh, like how the Ranis had that egg with the king. Experience. We have Jiva Spa. Wow. This is wow. And do you hear my voice echoing, guys? Look at this.
So this is an indoor pool we have.
Right.
So this was gifted by Maharaja Iman Singh Ji to
Okay.
Maharani Gayatri Devi.
Right.
Yes. And right now it's 4 feet deep. Earlier at that time it used to be 14 feet deep. And if you can see on the ceiling, the black holes over there. So there used to be a big swing over there.
Oh, from there?
Yes, yes. So Marana on both sides.
So she would be
Used to
swinging
swing
on
and
the
then she
pool.
used to dive in the swimming pool.
Wow. I think we should put that swing back.
Actually now it's not 14 feet deep as for the guideline.
Right. But the swimming pool is shut as of now, right?
Yes.
So let us show you the outdoor pools as well.
And we have indoor as well. So so it was made indoor because at that time there used to be we used to be Kharga system and all. Okay. And it's made from the sandstone as well. Right. So it was made indoor. Exactly. And what is this for? Okay. And if you see the glasses over there, the SM Savai Mansingh, those are from Belgium.
Guys, look at those glasses with the initials. So, getting everything personalized is something which naturally comes in royalty. I am also very fond of getting everything personalized. So now I know why.
So here is our outdoor pool.
Wow. You should go first in this one.
Beautiful. So there we have jacuzzi over there and
Very nice. And what are those tents?
so those are the spa tents we have.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Right. And now I think it's quite time I've heard about this famous drink which is served in the spa. So can you?
So that's a Vishuddhi tea.
Okay.
Yes.
And what does that Vishwadi tea do?
So it's a very good immunity booster.
Okay.
So that we serve before the spa session inside the video.
And some special recipe.
So it's made up of basil leaf, jaggery and lime juice.
Something I need to try.
Absolutely.
So guys, I hope you really like today's live session. Because this live session and being here in Rambagh Palace has definitely made me feel like I'm a princess or a queen myself. And I guess that's what Taj Rambagh Palace has done to me, because it has given me a spark of royalty and made me feel that you can give yourself that gift of feeling like a king or a queen for a day or two. And Taj would do its 100% as much as he can to making you experience that. And let's try the tea, and I'm going to tell you how it is.
So would you like to enjoy it outside in the nature or inside the
I think nature should be good.
Definitely.
Yeah. So can I leave this one here?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
So guys, I think while I enjoy my tea and I've given you a good glimpse of Rambagh Palace and hospitality by Taj Hotels, something that one needs to experience for sure, especially during this time when one can't really travel all the way abroad in different places. I think this is the best getaway one can do. So do not miss this opportunity and do come to Taj Rambagh Palace very, very soon. Thank you. See you guys soon.
And now.